How to adjust the level gauge. This involves removing the section from the middle water tank. I'll take it out and adjust it. Currently, because there's no water, it's triggering a low-level alarm, especially the middle section. This middle section has 3 lights indicating low, medium, and high water levels respectively. It's currently red. If you adjust the low water level indicator to the top, it will float when there's water, reaching the top position. The corresponding indicator is green now. The medium and high water levels are also green. Inside are 3 probes, each corresponding to one of the 3 floats. Let's disassemble it. These are the probes inside. The first, second, and third probes are green, red, and black respectively. Black is at the bottom, red is in the middle, and green is at the top. They correspond to the positions of the floats. After inserting them, first secure one end, find the corresponding distance, and insert them from this end. The float can be adjusted by adjusting its height, each is secured by a clamp. The height is adjustable. If you can't reach it now, loosen the screw and move it up a little to find the sensor. Now, after screwing it back on, the wire didn't move. Now that it's up, it's turned green again. So, all 3 of the water-filled areas have floated up, and now they're all green.